Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 9, the care of plants. First one, ways and means of taking care of plants. Children, you have to give water to plants, trees, crops from time to time. Means you have to give water regularly to the plants. In this picture also you are observing, children, different plants, trees and crops. You have to give the water. In this picture also you are observing the watering the plants. Now children, second point, regularly manure give to the plants. Here manure means khat, we can say in Marathi. Children, observe the picture of manure. M-A-N-U-R-E, manure. See children, if you give regularly manure to the plants, then plants will grow properly. It will become strong and healthy. See children, how the plants are growing due to the supply of manure. Regular, whenever it is necessary, that time you have to give the manure. Here new word came, manure. Now see children, insecticides should be sprayed regularly over plants so that they don't get infected by insects. Here see children, man is spreading the insecticide. Insecticides means kitak nashak. It is used to kill the insects. So the crops will grow properly because insecticide kill the insect and crop will grow properly. Fourth one, a fence should be put around small plants for protection. See children, here fence means here new word kumpan. We have to arrange that way to protect the small trees. In this picture also you are observing a fence is around the small plant, so it will be protected from any other animal from or any other thing. It will be protected. Leaves and flowers of plants should not be plucked unnecessarily. Children, when there is no need of to pluck the leaves or flowers, you don't pluck the leaves or flowers. See children, in this picture the girl is doing wrong thing because she is removing the leaves and flowers. So you have to don't do this way, because if you don't know, we no need of the to remove the leaves, you have to don't remove the leaves from the trees or flowers also. When it is necessary, that time you have to remove the that you can take the only those flowers and leaves which are required should be plucked. Which flowers or leaves we need, that we can take, but unnecessary we can't take the leaves or flowers. Here it is necessary to take the leaves, so you have to take the leaves. Trees should not be cut as far as possible. Don't cut the trees unnecessarily. You have to avoid the cutting of trees. In case of a tree is to be cut, a new plant should be planted to replace it. If anybody cut the trees, then you have to replace there again new plant. Children, now see the picture. In this picture you have to, like that way you have to plant a new small sapling. Sapling means small plant. Every year new sapling, new small tree should be planted and look after with care and attention. See children, in this picture a small new sapling children are planting, and they will take care of that small plant. Like that way children, you also plant a small tree and take care of these. Now children, it's time of homework. Today's homework, read lesson number 9. Thank you. Have a